In this module, we are going to talk about destructive trade wars. A trade war is referred to an economic conflict in which a state imposes tariffs on imports from other countries, and these foreign countries strike back with similar protectionism. Trade war discourages international trade. Recently, we see that how China and US had that trade war. US put tariff duty upon Chinese products, and China in response put the same rate of tariff that was around 20% upon almost 60 products of America. It started a trade war between US and China in the Trump era. Anglo-Dutch wars, those were between 18th and 17th and 18th century. It began in response to the Navigation Act of 1651, which was intended to preclude the Dutch from participation in English sea trade. This is a historical context to understand that how sometimes the policy of protectionism start a trade war. Opium wars started between in the 19th century, that was between 1839 to 1860. It was initiated by China to stop the British traders from supplying drugs in China. The Second Opium War was the result of the desire of Great Britain and France to legalize the opium trade in China. Smoot-Hawley Tariff Act 1930, it is the beginning of 30th century, after the first quarter of the 20th century. It introduced protectionist trade policies in the United States. It was signed by President Herbert Hoover. It backfired as uncompromising European states imposed high taxes on US goods. US goods became too expensive to buy in Europe. It escalated the crisis of Great Depression. Great Depression happened owing to that policy of trade war that started owing to putting more tariffs upon American goods in Europe. It is similar to the Trump era's trade war between China and the US. That I have already explained in detail in the very beginning of this module. Let's see it again. US-China trade war, that is contemporary environment. The contemporary trade war between China and the United States is traced back to the President Donald Trump's protectionist policies of 2018. US accusation of unfair trade practices, imposing high tariffs and other trade barriers on China. The trade war between the great powers has a negative impact on the global economy. China became member of World Trade Organization in the very beginning of the 21st century. And it threatens the American goods in the world over because China is monopolizing the economic market and spreading its economic tentacles, adopting a formula or scheme or strategy of social capitalism and capturing the economic market of the world.